Nomodo. Use a single accessory for all your desktop needs with Nomodo Trio all-in-one desktop station. This device combines a charging, heating and cooling station in one, an ideal addition to any work desk. The Moto Trio eliminates the need for additional charging cables. Designed to reduce clutter, the station allows you to charge any kind of enabled device in no time on the charging dock. In addition, it comes with heating and cooling drink plate to keep your beverages at ideal temperature. It helps your tea and coffee to stay nice and hot while you work. Likewise, the cooling plate keeps your cold drinks and cans chilled for refreshing sips. Even though Nomodo Trio comes with its own cup, it also works with any other mug. It comes with a price of $50 and available on Amazon. LED Heliball from TX Juice. Use your hands, feet or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology takes what's below and hovers above it, or use manual trigger control and see how close you can get it to the ceiling or floor without crashing. Unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay out of light? An awesome light shows only with LED Heliball. It is available on Amazon at $42. Google Nest Mini. You are looking at incredibly smart little device that you can buy for $50. The Nest Mini by Google is a speaker that can be mounted on the wall or placed on the horizontal surface. Several of these speakers can be connected into a whole audio system which can cover the entire apartment or house. Despite its small size, the speaker is powerful and provides deep and rich sound. You can play music from any convenient streaming service, but that's not all. The Nest Mini can act as a voice assistant too. So, with its help, you can make calls, keep track of weather, control your appliances, set alarms, timers, and more. Again, all for this is just for $50. Easy Touch Lock. Here is another smart gadget also designed to slightly improve the quality of life by securing your personal belongings. When traveling, people tend to more distracted. In addition, we often have to leave our suitcase unattended, even for a short time. The Easy Touch company has found a way to solve this problem. Their specialists developed a lock that connects to the mobile application. If you forget your luggage or go too far away from it, you will be notified. If someone tries to open your luggage, you will also get a notification. Also, Easy Touch eliminates the need to memorize digital lock codes and then painfully try to remember them. The lock opens by recognizing the unmissable phone. The price starts at $25. Turbo spoke exhaust system. If you really want to have motorcycle but you only have the money for bicycle, there is a solution for you. For example, you could buy the turbo spoke exhaust system for $23. Despite its name, the device has nothing in common with the real exhaust system. It won't make you go any faster nor affect the performance of your bicycle in any way, but it will start making the same sound as motorcycle. The kit includes a speaker that imitates the appearance of an exhaust pipe as well, and a sound card is inserted into the device and you are in the spotlight. Everyone is going to look at you as you pass by. Frank Green Cup. You have probably heard of reusable cup that can be used to buy drinks to go. Yes, you have to wash them when you get home, but they are environmental friendly and may help you to save money too, as many coffee shops offer discounts for using your own cups. Frank Green Cup is one of them, but the developers managed to take it to a whole new level with amazing functionality. First of all, the cup has a built-in check into place. It allows you to use the cup for contactless payments. Now you don't have to carry your wallet to the coffee shop anymore. you could just pay with the cup. Secondly, it comes with an app that works with the many coffee shops. Its number is constantly increasing, so you can pre-order your beverages instead of waiting in line. Use discounts, win points, and even buy a coffee for a friend who also has the app and Frank Green Cup. And besides, it's impossible to spill your drink. The price depends on size, varies between $33 and $37. Wise scam. If you live in private home, you should care about the safety of your family and your property. Of course, the market is full of security equipments. However, only a few combine efficiency with a low price. Amongst them is this little camera from American company Wyze. It costs between $20 to $30 depending on the model. In return, you get a sense of security and total control of the area around the house. The manufacturer suggests the small device to be installed over the main door. In addition, the built-in memory stores all the footages recorded during the last 2 weeks. The recorded video is of high quality and you can watch it on your cell phone. The built-in speaker allows you to communicate using the Wyze Cam, and of course there are another applications for the device. You can place the camera in kids' room and use it as a car DVR, or you can give it to your old parents to check on them from time to time. The magnetic base makes it easy to attach the camera to different surfaces. AirHawk Supernova. Although the Supernova is only a toy, it can provide long hours of entertainment, especially if you have a good imagination. Supernova is small round drone from AirHawks that cost $30. The toy appears to be controlled by user's mind, but it actually equipped with sensors that track the movement around it. Supernova will especially appeal to athletes, dancers, and anyone who likes to put on a spectacular performance. Kodak Mini 2. Would you like to be able to turn a digital photo on your smartphone into a physical photo whenever you want? The Kodak Mini 2 offers you exactly that for only $42. This is a small wireless printer, so the photos are also small. They are also about the size of credit card. It takes less than 1 minute to print an image. This special printing paper is waterproof, fingerprint proof, and also has a protective layer that keeps the colors bright for a long time. The printer works with the replaceable cartridge designed for 20, 30 and 50 photos. Hot Logic Mini. Even outside the house, we all want to enjoy hot and delicious food. If you can't have lunch at restaurant, there are no reason to get upset, because today for just odd $35 to $40 you can buy Hot Logic. It is a container comes with two interesting and important features. The first one is that hot object works like the thermos that traps heat, so food is kept warm longer. And the second is most important and surprising feature. With Hot Logic you can cook on go wherever you are. That's because it has its own heater. All you need to run the appliance to a power outlet. It could be a standard plug or a car lighter socket. You just have to put the ingredients in the box in the morning. During the day, just plug it into the power source. At the lunchtime, you can enjoy hot, freshly cooked meal. You can even cook meat. Note that the Hot Logic is compatible with any standard container with the flat bottom. There is no need to buy any special container. The heat time is about 30 to 40 minutes. But to prepare a frozen semi-finished product or meat with vegetables, the device will need 1 or 2 hours. Apple Pencil Cover. The next invention will appeal to artists and all those who actively use a stylus. You probably know what the Apple Pencil is. It's a high precision device for drawing and making notes. Like a real brush, the stylus captures the tilt and even the force of the stroke. However, it has one drawback. It is really fragile. That's why the American company Stylus offers this special cover. In fact, it's an additional casing which not only extends the life of the stylus but also makes it look fancier. It should be noted that this cover doesn't affect the function of the Apple Pencil. It doesn't interfere with the magnetic holder and allows the application tool to be changed for the double touch. This case costs $30.